The Osprey Daylite Plus Commuter Backpack is a versatile and lightweight pack designed to meet the needs of a wide range of activities, from day hikes and travel to daily commuting. After gathering extensive feedback from users worldwide, it is clear this backpack is highly regarded for its quality, functionality, and thoughtful design. This review synthesizes those insights to provide a comprehensive understanding of what makes this backpack stand out, as well as areas where it may not suit everyone. One of the most praised aspects of the Daylite Plus is its lightweight construction paired with durable materials. Weighing just over 1 pound and offering a 20-liter capacity, it strikes a balance between being easy to carry and sufficiently spacious for essentials. Many users have noted that despite its lightness, the backpack feels robust and well-made, capable of withstanding years of regular use without significant wear. The material is thin but durable, contributing to the pack's overall lightness without sacrificing strength. The design includes a large panel-loading main compartment that provides easy access to the contents inside. This compartment is versatile enough to hold a variety of items, including laptops up to 17 inches, though it is worth noting that the laptop fits best without a bulky sleeve. The pack also features a smaller front pocket that users find extremely convenient for storing items like wallets, Idaho cards, medications, and other small essentials that require quick access. This pocket is especially appreciated for its accessibility during travel or outdoor activities. A notable feature that repeatedly receives positive feedback is the side mesh pockets. These pockets are designed to hold water bottles securely, yet allow for effortless removal and replacement. Users with larger bottles, such as 40-ounce Owala bottles with side handles, report that these fit comfortably and slide in and out smoothly without any struggle. This ease of use is a significant advantage for those who need quick hydration access during hikes or commutes. The backpack's compatibility with other Osprey travel and backpacking bags is another highlight. The Daylite Plus can attach to larger packs for additional storage, making it a flexible option for travelers who want to expand their carrying capacity without switching bags. Additionally, the pack can slide onto the handle of carry-on luggage, which is a practical feature for frequent flyers looking to streamline their travel gear. Comfort is a key consideration for any backpack, and the Daylite Plus offers adjustable shoulder straps, a chest strap, and a hip belt to help distribute weight and improve stability. While the straps are somewhat thin, which some users find less comfortable for heavier loads or extended wear, they provide adequate support for lighter packing. Many users recommend keeping the pack light to avoid discomfort, which aligns with the backpack's design as a light day pack rather than a heavy-duty carrier. Ventilation is another area where this pack excels. The back panel is well vented, helping to reduce heat buildup and keep the wearer cool during physical activity. This feature is especially appreciated by hikers and cyclists who need breathability during exertion. Security is addressed through zippers that have enough resistance to deter casual tampering, making it harder for someone to open the bag unnoticed in crowded environments. This is a valuable feature for travel and urban use where pickpocketing can be a concern. The pack also includes thoughtful organizational features such as a key holder, an external zippered pocket, and a hydration pack sleeve with a tube port. The hydration sleeve doubles as a laptop compartment, demonstrating the pack's multifunctional design. These pockets and organizers help keep gear sorted and accessible, enhancing the overall user experience. Despite its many strengths, the Daylite Plus has some limitations. Its small size means it is best suited for carrying essentials rather than bulky items or textbooks. Some users transitioning from larger or more heavily padded backpacks find the thinner straps less comfortable, especially when carrying heavier loads. Additionally, a few reviewers mentioned that the extra small front pocket on the Plus model is not very useful, suggesting that the standard Daylite might be a better value for those who do not need the additional compartment. Overall, the Osprey Daylite Plus Commuter Backpack is highly recommended for those seeking a lightweight, durable, and versatile pack for everyday use, travel, and light outdoor activities. Its combination of quality materials, practical features, and comfortable fit make it a standout choice in its category. Users who prioritize a compact and functional backpack that can handle a laptop, water bottles, and daily essentials will find this pack meets those needs exceptionally well. For heavier packing or longer hikes, users might want to consider additional padding or a larger model. If you own the Osprey Daylite Plus or have experience with it, sharing your review in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is provided in the description to support the channel and assist viewers in finding this versatile backpack.